All right, good morning, everybody. I'll get ready to get started here, but the first thing I wanted to do is I just wanted to go through some of the basics. And if you're following us on YouTube and Facebook, a couple things I want to mention. First of all, if you want to try us, all right, we do have a free week trial right now where you can try us for a whole week, where we'll give you these charts. Now, the charts that you will be seeing, they won't include the commodities, but they are going to include the currencies, because that's what we teach in the core package, how to trade these currencies. You can also trade the commodities if you wish, but our specialty is really short-term trading on the currencies. And also that's going to come with the daily setups, and the way that works is we put the trade on at night and you just let it expire the following day. All right. And so those results are on our website, so you can see the daily results as well. But the way it works is you see a series of carats here. You see the red carat. Let's look down here on the bottom left-hand corner. We see the Aussie US. We have a series of carats here. We have some red carats. We have some green carats. And what these carats are is, in the core package, we teach a total of 5 different behavioral patterns. All right? And there's 4 different dimensions we teach that you need to look at before placing a trade. What you're seeing here is only the initial pattern itself, okay, for one of those 5 patterns. And it's only the first dimension. It's not looking at all 4 different dimensions. All right? So if you've been watching us and I talk about naked stats, this is the naked stats that I'm talking about. So when I call out a short or I call out a buy, it doesn't mean every one of these trades that you should take. All right? There's more to it than just blindly following or trying to trade taking a mechanical approach to trading. Trading is never going to be that simple for you. All right? Trading, you want to have the best tools. I feel these are the best tools because not only are they reliable, but they are universal, meaning these same patterns work across the board. And all indices, commodities, you can also use them for stocks if you'd like to do that as well. All right. So that being said, understand that just because I'm making a call, it's really for educational and demonstrational purpose only. But if you want to get a better feel and we teach you how to trade one of these patterns, you can always try us out for 1 week for free, and it's absolutely no obligation on your part. So if you want to try it before you buy it, you can certainly do that and get into the trial package. All right. On the indices and the gold, so forth, those are all based off of what I call the Einstein formula. It's something I learned over 30 years ago. And those are short-term price projections. All right. So we have a price target, we have a stop, and we also have we have a reversal stop. So if we don't hit our target, we will stop and reverse and go in the other direction. If you're trading an index, we always recommend you only trade 1 index at a time. Never trade 2, and one of the commodities if you want to trade 2 at the same time. All right. That's something that we will eventually be teaching how to do in the CB package for our active members. And so that's going to eventually be part of the CB package. All right. So let's get started, and let's see what we have set up early this morning. And also keep in mind, in the first thing in the morning, the indices can be quite choppy, so you want to really be careful. This first hour is free to you, YouTube and Facebook, and also we have our Binary Pro students on here as well. They're also watching these as well as you are. But they are also getting the live feed, where Facebook and YouTube, it's delayed. So do not try to make these trades because you would be getting in late and or getting out late, and that's never a way to trade. The idea is to just demonstrate how this works, and then the rest is going to be up to you to learn the process and practice the process and get good at the process. All right. It only takes several trades a day to do very well. You don't need to take a bunch of trades. Just trade, you could really trade, say, 4 or 5 a day, and that's it. You don't need to be trading and making a lot of trades. It's quality, not quantity, when it comes to trading, okay? So that's the key to trading. You really want to be selective in your trades. And we show you how to be more selective in taking the trades. All right, so once again, let's get started. And I am watching the RTY. We are getting a short on the RTY. And let me put up those symbols for you so you understand what RTY is. It's going to be in the top right hand corner over here. But let's get an initial setup here. Let's see here. So that RTY is coming short at 1989, 1989. We're looking for a target of 1984, 1984. And if we don't hit that target, 1984, then I'm going to reverse at 1999. 1999. Okay, we're short RTY, looking for a target of 1984. Target of 1984. That was a big picture. So 1984 is our target on RTY, slowly approaching target. Also getting a short on the gold right now. Getting a short on the gold. Okay, target on gold is going to bring us down to 1975. 1975. Profit target hit. 1975 is going to be our target on gold. Reversal on gold is going to be 1984. 1984. Gold came in short at 78, 1978. So anything above 78 is a good entry. And remember, 75 is our target. Okay, short gold, target 1975. I'm still short RTY. Could be a mixed opening. We'll watch and see how this Dow's going to open up. Maybe biased more to the short side, but it could be a quiet opening. We'll see. Okay, getting a short on the crude oil this morning. Getting a short on the crude oil. That crude oil shorts coming in at anything above 101.85. Target on that's going to bring us down to 101.45. And that is going to be our profit target, 101.45. And reversal is going to be 102.65. 102.65. Okay, watching for a possible short over here on the Aussie US. Aussie US. Okay, now on the Aussie US, take a look here. Short on the Aussie US, anything from 99 and lower, 73.99. These trades will hold on here for the next 5 minutes, so we'll let you know when we exit. Looking for it to close below 73.99. Remember, this is only a 5-minute trade, so we never hold them on longer than 5 minutes. This is one of the patterns that do come with the core package. Also, you'll see this set up in demo, in the trial account. And always keep in mind that trading is risky. Make sure that anytime you're trading a new strategy, you do it in a simulated account or demo account. And do not attempt to ever go live until you can be consistently profitable, and I mean consistently profitable, on a daily basis before you even think about going live. Trading takes a long time. It's not something that comes easy. You got to put a lot of work and effort into it. You've got to understand the markets and the interrelationships between the different instruments. Everything has a correlation, so it's something we really watch quite a bit. Just as crude oil has a correlation, gold has a correlation, currencies have correlations. Always looking at those for get a more of a global feel for which way the market wants to go. Okay, still short RTY, still short gold, crude oil still short. Dow's going to open up here in less than 15 minutes. Once again, be very cautious in the first thing in the morning. Market can get a lot of volatility, which is not necessarily bad, but you get a lot of up and down movement, which is something we try to avoid. That usually will straighten itself out. Dow opens at 9:30, usually by 10:30, 11, things start to slow down. And then you're going to get some less risky setups, I would say. So once again, here are the symbols, top right hand corner. When I talk about the ES, I am talking about the E-mini, S&P. RTY is going to be small Russell. We've got the YM Wall Street and NQ for the US Tech. Also looking at COMEX Gold and Silver SI, CL for crude and NG for natural gas, and of course BTC for Bitcoin. That's what we will be tracking here for the next 3 hours. First hour's free. The other 2 hours we will get a little bit more into detail, and we will be continuing on with our price targets on the commodities and the indices, and continue to watch these core setups. Getting another short on the Aussie US 74, let's see, 7401, 7401. That first trade on the Aussie did not win. That was a loser on the first trade, but we are catching the 7401 short. On that is a double. We call that double on the Aussie. You have those two down arrows. Really like those trades. Really strong pattern. All right, continue hold short RTY, gold short, crude short. Nothing on natural gas. Getting a buy on Bitcoin, getting a buy on Bitcoin. Target on Bitcoin is going to bring us up to 405.25, 405.25. And a low of 394 even, 394 even. May get a possible reversal on the gold. If we do, strong pattern. I do like this buy on the gold coming up. But we are still short, continue short unless we hit 1984. Still short RTY. Crude oil still in a short. Bitcoin's in a buy. Okay, a little bit less than 4 minutes to go for the Dow to open up here. I think the bias is going to be for a lower opening. All right, second trade on that Aussie was a winner on that short. Love that particular pattern, real strong pattern. Don't happen a lot, but they are really strong. Still short RTY, still short gold, short crude. Bitcoin is still in a buy. Dow's pretty quiet, down 46. Natural gas is getting a buy natural gas. Entry on natural gas, 68.05. Target's going to be 683, 683. Reversal on gas, we don't hit target, it's going to be 67.55. Watch for a possible reversal on the gold. I do like this setup on the gold. If this pattern develops, it's going to be a nice pattern for a buy. Bitcoin is still long. Watching possible reversal coming up on crude. Natural gas still long.
Reverse buy.
Reverse buy on crude. Crude just went long. Okay, target on crude is going to bring us up to 102. Hold on.
Profit target hit.
It's going to bring us up to 103.05. 103.05.
Reverse buy.
Reversing gold. Gold now going long. Low 1984. Target hit on natural gas. Natural gas hit its target. ES going long, getting a buy on ES. ES is going to be a buy at, let's see here, 43.9725 target.
Reverse buy.
Target on ES is going to bring us up to 4403 and a half, 4403 and a half. And RTY is going long now. Anything below 1999, anything below 1999. Okay, target on RTY is going to bring us up to 2004. 2004 is our target.
Profit target hit.
Okay, target hit on ES. ES hit its target. Gold is still long. Once again, target on RTY is 2004. Reversals would be 1984. 1987 is going to be our target on gold. 1987. Reversal on the gold is going to be, let's see here, 1978. 1978. That's going to be a reversal if we don't hit target. So we're long gold, we're long RTY. Crude, of course, is long, still long crude. All right, RTY getting close to hitting target. Still long gold, long crude. Bitcoin is still on a buy. RTY close to hitting target.
Profit target hit.
Target to hit on RTY. Still on gold, still on crude. Bitcoin still in a buy. Nice double short coming up on the yen. US yen, watch for that double short. Wait till it forms, and we'll look to sell on the next 5 minutes. Looks like that double in the yen's not going to hold. It gave it up early, so it's already come down. So no short on that US yen. Buy coming up on the Aussie US.
Reverse sell.
Reverse sell on gold. Gold is reversing. Gold's getting choppy this morning. Be careful on gold. Really like that setup. All right, let's get a reversal on gold. Target on gold's going to bring us down to 1975, 1975. Gold was a sell at 1978, 1978, target 1975. And reversal on gold is going to bring me up to 1981. 1981 now. Sorry, make that 1984. Let's adjust 1984. 1984. That is going to be the reversal. Crude is short, crude is short, crude is short, anything above, let's take a look here. Crude is short, anything above 102.25. Target is going to be 101.45. So crude is still short, target's reversal is 103.05. So we're short gold, short crude, still long Bitcoin. Dow's up 112. Overnight trades are looking good. We're short that euro pound, euro US. Guys, if you're not watching those dailies, you need to be watching those dailies. I am trading all the HFs, every single one. And I will take some of the DPs, but HFs, every single one, I'm taking an HF. Real strong pattern on the dailies. All right, we're just holding in here. Short gold, crude oil short.
Profit target hit.
That was profit target on Bitcoin. For those that are trading Bitcoin. Okay, we're getting a short on the natural gas now. We are getting a short on natural gas. Anything above 683. Target on gas is going to bring us down to 6805. And the high is going to be 688. 688 is going to be the reversal. Okay, short natural gas, short crude, short gold. Glenn, you are welcome, sir. Hope you're enjoying it. Crude still short, natural gas getting close, hitting target. All right, have about 2 minutes to go here before we stop the broadcast to YouTube and Facebook. Once again, if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, if you want to try before you buy, we do have a free offer right now. You can try us for.
Target hit.
See, we just hit target on something. Natural gas just hit target. Anyway, we have a special going on here. It's not going to last too much longer, but it's still available. You can try us for a whole week for free. That would include the overnight trades as well. Try us for a whole week. Share with charge. You'll be able to watch one of our patterns. We'll explain how to trade it. And if you're interested in that offer, you can go to binaryprostrategies.com. And also, if you'd like more about my trading style and my philosophy of trading, you can go to my YouTube channel, of course, Binary Pro Strategies. A lot of good educational videos out there. Make sure you watch the fundamental video. All right, so we exited natural gas, still short crude. Still short gold. ES just went short. ES just went short. Short on ES is anything above 43.97. Anything above 43.97. Target on that's going to bring us down to 43.91. Reversal is going to bring us up to 4409.75, 4409.75. All right, that's going to be it for the 1 hour free broadcast. Once again, if you have any questions, you can always go to binaryprostrategies.com. You can contact me that way. I want to thank everybody for attending this morning. And we'll be back again tomorrow, first thing at, let's see, it's going to be 9 a.m. Eastern. And we will do this all over again. Y'all have a really good trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow.